The shock assemblies can be adjusted to vary the amount of preload applied to the springs. This allows the operator to customize the ride according to operator's weight and operating conditions. The front is shown here, but the process is the same for the rear springs. Turn the preload adjustment collar to a lower notch to increase the preload. Turn the preload adjustment collar to a higher notch to decrease the preload. Make sure all shocks are set to the same amount of preload.